Are you ready to know my top 5 poetry book recommendations? Then please keep on watching. Hello my fabulous people, thank you for your never ending support. It really means a lot to me, a lot. So yeah, hop onto my Instagram and see the support that you are giving. Every day I'm replying to some tons of messages, and my heart is melting seeing all of your messages. And I might not reply to yours, but sorry, I'm seeing everyone's messages, but I'm just replying for few. I will definitely reply to everyone, trust me. I'll bring something exciting for you, wouldn't I? Because it's been a long time since I'm up on YouTube. So what you gotta do is go to the description. There's a link given, and that is, you'll get to know. So click on that link, and then you're invited and entered into Trell Shop exclusively. So on the Trell Shop you can buy some amazing beauty products from brands like Plum, Biotech, MyGlam, and a lot more. So click on that link and shop what you want. Before talking about the book, I want to state this point, that is, many people want to read poetry, but because they couldn't find one good beginner friendly poetry book, they end up not reading poetry. The reason is that whenever someone wants to read a poetry book, they will go and pick up books like Prophet, and they will end up sucking that, okay, I can't read poetry, what else I can read? Because they're picking up a wrong book, they will think that poetry is a difficult genre. It isn't a difficult genre. You can read it, you can evolve in poetry. So the first book that I'm going to recommend is mainly for beginners. And the first book is A Lonely World and Other Poems by Himanshu Goyal. Trust me, I've read his writings. All of them are beautiful. I can't say anything except that. Okay, this book, A Lonely World and Other Poems by Himanshu Goyal, something that I love. He speaks from his heart and he writes from his heart. His poetry is so beautiful, and if you are a beginner, trust me, and if you want to read a poetry book, go with this. You will love it. You will love it. You need not to check dictionary. No, you need not to. Even one time, you need not to check the dictionary when you are reading this book. Yes, I've read this up on Kindle, and one poem is repetitive, except that I haven't faced any issues. And next, if you have a Prime account, this book is free. All of the poems are amazing, beginner friendly. It talks about loneliness, and like, I've cried reading few poems, that is what I can say. I really connected with it because there is one phase where I've been like that. So yeah, I would highly recommend for people who are beginner and want to read poetry genre and who want to read poems about loneliness. Next book is Hymns of Mind and Heart to Soul. Such an amazing book, but this is not recommended for beginners. If you are an average poetry reader, go with this. This book talks about hope, peace, and it also talks about Amendment Act and how it affected people in Assam. And yeah, the writing is slightly difficult, and I won't recommend it to beginners at all. If you are an average reader, go with this. And it is unlike like the first book, because you need to check the dictionary quite a lot of times when you're reading this book. So I'm not going to recommend this book for beginners. The third book is Pursuit of Sunshine in Rain. I really like the book, trust me. A few poems were like very simple, very easy, like I will just say, like, turn. But few were really good, few were difficult, and I really like difficult poetry because it will make me think more. So that is the reason I really like it. Yes, I would recommend it to beginners and average readers, but if you are into poetry and if you want to read difficult poetry, this book is not for you. This is the fourth book recommendation, and that is Fragile Strings by Arushi Watts. I've read her third book recently and I reviewed it as well. That is Oasis in the Desert and Other Stories, and that is a brilliant book. And this is her first book, okay? And this book is about a girl and boy who fell in love and later they had a breakup. And the girl affected a lot. And all of the poems that were in the book are from the girl's point of view. And how the girl cope up with the situation is what the stories were about. And I really like the way that she has written the poems. It is a beginner friendly book. You can read it. They are only 66 pages in the book. It is so short, sweet and crisp read. All of the poems are supremely short. I've read this book within 10 minutes, and look at the cover page, it is so attractive and so beautiful. The fifth book and the last book is I'm in Love with Myself by Deeksha Tripathi. Trust me, I don't have anything to say about this book. Nothing. Because I really like this book. This book is so good. I can't say anything except that. 51 poems in this book, especially for women, because women does a lot and she struggles a lot, but she won't get any appreciation for that. What society does is that just pointing out women for anything and everything she does. That is not right. And writing these books, these books are really important right now. This book talks about cancer. This book talks about periods. This book talks about mental illness. This book talks about black people and how they are suffering because of the society. This book is a must read. Even if you like poetry, don't like poetry, I don't care, get this book. And if you are into poetry, want to read this book, yes, even if you are a beginner, go with this book. Yeah, I hope you like this video. There's a part 2 coming up as well, so please do stay tuned. I'm drained. I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. So yeah, hope you all like this video. If you did, then please do click the thumbs up button, share, comment and subscribe, and click the bell icon as well. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.